Welcome to Marty Academy. We provide high-quality, industry-relevant education, helping students excel through hands-on learning and real-world projects. About Marty Academy. Marty provides the opportunity to learn the skills and gain the confidence required for technical industry standards. Participants will have the opportunity to learn effective technical courses along with the real-time project implementation method. Marty's approaches to the technical skills training are extremely effective and participants will get a solid introduction to how and why this is so. By the end of this program, participants will have gained key skills, applied project-based methods in workplace scenarios, practiced coaching techniques, and explored emotional intelligence. At Marty, our program is designed not just to teach skills but to empower individuals with the knowledge, experience, and emotional intelligence required to excel in their careers and make a meaningful impact in their workplaces. About Noorain Ansari. Noorain Ansari has more than 15 years of IT technical experience working for various global MNCs. He has more than 15 years of experience in various major technology which managing large transformation programs for top clients across verticals such as banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, telecom and others. Noorain is a certified brand name with corporate leaders in terms of project development in various horizons. He also provides technical-led and training services. He is passionate about writing and motivational speech. His motto in life, making a positive difference with empowering people with knowledge. Introduction to ADF, Azure Data Factory course content. Overview of Azure Data Factory, ADF. Introduction to ADF, its architecture, key components, use cases, benefits, and essential concepts including pipelines, activities, datasets, and linked services. Environment setup. Create an Azure account and navigate the Azure portal. Set up storage accounts, including options for redundancy and access tiers. Create an Azure Data Lake Gen 2 account, Azure Data Factory, Azure SQL database, and SQL Server VM. Building blocks of ADF. Detailed overview of ADF's building blocks, pipelines, activities, linked services, datasets, supported file formats, and triggers, along with their interactions. Copy data activity, Azure Data Factory, ADF, course content. Copy data operations. Copy data from blob storage to Azure Data Lake Storage, ADLS, with logging settings. Transfer multiple files from a folder, applying last modified filters and appending filename columns. Copy data from Azure SQL tables while ensuring fault tolerance. Set up self-hosted integration runtime, IR, for on-premises database copying and delete SQL Server VMs. Copy data from REST APIs. Parameters and variables. Understand parameterized components and the use of variables, including system variables and the set variable activity. Control flow activities. Implement various activities, filters, loops, for each, lookups, and metadata retrieval. Explore scenarios like copying multiple files in bulk using a lookup table and files modified in the last day. Utilize conditional logic, if condition, with activities, switches, and validations to enhance workflow. Pipeline activities. Stored procedure activity. RWS number 5, save pipeline run details in SQL table for audit. Delete activity. Fail activity. Execute pipeline. Data flow activity. Mapping data flows. Introduction to mapping data flows. Source validation and schema drift, sync configuration and error row handling. Transformations. Select, filter, conditional split, union, exists, sort, rank, aggregate, join, pivot, lookup, derived column, new branch, surrogate key, flatten, alter row, assert. Advanced concepts. Expression language. Dynamic queries. Triggers. Types of ADF triggers. Schedule triggers, event-based triggers, tumbling window triggers. Monitoring. Monitoring capabilities, ADF monitoring dashboard, alerts and metrics, log analytics integration. Real-world use cases. Fact and dimension tables, slowly changing dimensions, SCD, types, SCD type 1 implementation, SCD type 2 implementation, incremental data load use case and hints, interview preparation. Email notification. Email notifications with ADF and logic app, theory of email notifications. Summary of Azure SQL DB and T-SQL course content. Introduction to Azure SQL offerings, overview of Azure SQL services, including a new free offering. Labs. Provisioning Azure SQL database. Installing SQL Server Management Studio. Managing database logins, users, permissions, and roles. Working with database tables and indexes. Implementing table constraints. Executing select statements and table joins. Creating and managing views. T-SQL basics. Introduction to Azure T-SQL with practical labs. Correction for introductory lectures. Advanced concepts. Working with cursors, transactions, stored procedures, and user-defined functions, all accompanied by lab scripts for hands-on learning. This course on Master ADF and Azure SQL for Data Engineers offers over 15 real-time projects focusing on Azure Data Factory, ADF, and Azure SQL. Participants will work on data pipelines including transferring data from Amazon S3 to Azure Blob, between Azure Blobs, and from Azure SQL database to Azure Blob. Additional projects include transferring specific SQL table columns to Azure Blob, converting Azure Blob CSV files to Azure SQL tables, and performing union and transformations of two Azure Blobs. The course also covers advanced transformations like data flow pipelines, incremental data loading, and parameterization projects. Students will implement slowly changing dimensions, SCD, types 1 and 2 and set up monitoring for data pipeline failures with email alerts. An introduction to Databricks includes account setup, integration with ADF and Tableau, and COVID dataset analysis. This course equips data engineers with essential practical skills for cloud data engineering. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please visit the provided website. You are also welcome to visit the Institute for one-on-one discussions. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos and information.